Southern Europe, from west to east, has been suffering from severe snowstorms. In Spain, several major motorways were closed on Friday as many provinces were caught up in Storm Juan. It brought freezing temperatures and heavy snowfall that left half of the country on alert status. In Carinthia, in southern Austria, snowstorms were preceded by rain, which made roads slippery and caused traffic chaos. Police reported several accidents, but nobody was injured. Rail traffic was also disrupted. Bosnia, Croatia and Slovenia in the Balkans all experienced heavy snowstorms. In several areas of Slovenia, gusts over 100 kilometers per hour were reported. In Bosnia and Croatia, many roads, including major motorways, were closed.